Vin Dip, India's pioneer and Asia's leader in dip molding. And vigorously expanding its global presence, the organization stands tall under MSME category, and it has been recording a stable year-on-year growth rate of 15 to 20%. It has several manufacturing locations in Hyderabad, which is the best knowledge and manufacturing hub that is connected well to the entire world. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana, the youngest and 29th state of India. We mold your imagination and win your confidence for an ever-growing business. Vin Dip, the largest dip molding facility in Asia, covering 150,000 square feet in 5 units with 28 special-purpose dip molding machines. An enterprise with an unshakable commitment to associate safety, satisfaction and support. Now let us see what is the dip molding process, step by step. Preheating mandrels. The metal mandrels in the shape of the desired part are mounted on a frame. The preheat oven door opens and a carrier frame moves into the oven with around 300 degrees Celsius. Dipping heated mandrels in plastisol. Once the frame is uniformly preheated, it is taken to the dip tank filled with a liquid plastisol, a mixture of PVC and plasticizers and additives. Preheated and dipped mandrels get covered with a layer of semi-gelled plastisol in required thickness. Curing or fusing of mandrels with coating layer. When the dip is completed, the mandrels are transferred to cure oven. Here, the semi-gelled layer of plastisol undergoes complete fusion and forms a dry layer on the mandrel. Quenching or cooling of mandrels and parts. After the cure, the mandrels are cooled with the help of water quenching. This reduces the part temperature and reduces the friction between the part and mandrel. Stripping or removal of parts from mandrel. After the mandrels are cooled, the dry layer of the end part is stripped with the help of compressed air. Why Vin Dip? Well, it's the empowered and vibrant team equipped with the right skills, tools and zeal for appreciation. Perfect blend of men, machines, materials and methods coupled with systems have ensured quality and environmental management certifications as well as many recognitions and awards. With stock depots in Aurangabad, Faridabad and Chennai, we hope to mark our presence in many other industrial clusters in India. 28 dip molding machines. Each one has special purpose with high customization options. No equals in India or Asia by capacity. R&D and testing facilities. Vin Dip has a fully equipped research and development lab with all the modern equipment. Nothing is a big deal. Busbar Shrouds Boots. Vin Dip is a pioneer and a leader in providing busbar joint and cable gland shrouds to the Indian market. Wildlife outage protection products are crafted to excellence to protect substation, transmissions and distribution networks from harsh atmospheric and animal-related outages. Handle grips. With nearly 2 decades of experience in the industry, Vin Dip can provide highly customized handle grips of all colors, sizes and texture with required branding. Bellows. Vin Dip also offers wide varieties of seamless, flexible PVC bellows. Vinyl caps. As the largest manufacturer of vinyl caps in Asia, Vin Dip offers wide array of vinyl caps, plugs, masking agents, flange covers, and other molded parts for a variety of uses. Wiring harness terminal insulations and covers. All of the automobile and appliance wiring harness in India will have the insulation, waterproofing or coupler cover made by Vin Dip. And thankfully, we at Vin Dip promise our present and prospective clients to put in every effort to meet your ever-growing and never-ending expectations and retain you satisfied.